Ameya, we are in the nature today. So we are going to collect some materials which are lying on the nature or on the floor on the road, okay, and put it in our nature box, okay. What you are picking up, Ameya? Flowers, okay. What? Some people's here also. You are picking up some people's also, right?
Yes.
One is enough. Just a sample, yes. Now pick some dry leaves. Okay, Ameya, dry leaves. What else you want to pick from the nature, Ameya? Pick this wrapper and put it in your nature box. What is this, Ameya?
This is dal.
This is trunk, dry trunk of tree.
Right.
Yeah. So today we have collected lots of stuff from nature, right? So what we have collected? This is debris.
Debris.
Next, what you have collected? This is tiles.
Yes, this is time.
Next, what you have taken? Next,
This white dog.
what? Next, okay, I'm going to. Next, soil.
It's fine.
Yes. Next,
This food.
very good. Next,
This white dog.
this is dry leaves.
This diamond.
Another one is there, yes, dry leaves.
Diamond.
Yes,
Flower.
flowers.
Flower.
Here also flowers are there.
Flower.
And this is seeds.
Seeds.
This,
Seeds.
yeah, okay. These two, what are these are? These are
These are
feather.
feather.
And this is peacock feather.
This is peacock feather.
Next,
This
haystack.
haystack.
Next,
This
tree trunk.
feather.
Yes.
This is rubber.
And what else are there?
This is
Cotton.
cotton. This is lesson.
Wow. So we have collected so much from our nature today. Thank you.